Hi. Hi. What's your name? What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Maddie. And what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Perry. Mom.
Mama.
Wait. This is the sky. That's the sky. Sky and not wings. Sky and the wings. And those are the clouds. That's the whole city. Yeah. Whole city. See it? See it in the pool? You see it in the pool? That's the pool. This is, yeah. Now, you want to battle with me? Come on. Who's the strongest? Who's the strongest? Me or you? Which one? So you want to look at me? Ah, you look at me. Oh, it's strongest.
Captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened for the duration of the flight. You have a short time to continue using your laptop computer.
Are we landing?
We'll be coming
Are
to
we?
the cabin to collect
Oh, we're gonna go to
trash items and
Disneyland.
service items you'd like to discard.
Hi. What's on? Yeah. Let's close these windows now. I'll just open one. Oh, look at that sky. Come on. Come on. We're landing, okay? We're landing right now. I think we're landing. Nah, well, I think we're not. Hi. Whoa. I think we are landing. Feels like we're going down, right? Right, Mama?
You got your seatbelt.
There, that's more tighter. Now look outside. Come on, look at the sky. Look at the sky. We're landing. You got it? I think we're landing. In the deep, deep ocean. We're gonna die. Bye, bye. Wait. Actually, we're not. Made accident. Kids, if you like to this video, you can click the bell. Ding ding. Or you can watch a lot of channels. You can put Maddie's App Store. You can put this is what you call. You have to put this on where you can make a lot of videos. You can see a lot of videos of mine. First you have to put the Maddie's app. First you have to put Maddie Mama. That's it. Maddie Mama App Store. You got it? And then you'll find it, right? Boom, boom, boom. Ah. That's the other thing. Just joking. Oh my! We're at the sea. We're at the sea. Look. Cloud camera. Sea. Under the sea. Da-da. Under the sea. Da-da. Under the sea. Da-da. Under the sea. Da-da. Under the sea. Sea. Bye. Fishes. We are landing. Can I look too? Can I look too? Whoa, that
All right,
is.
ladies and gentlemen,
It's in the ocean.
as we make our final descent into the Orlando area, we'd appreciate your assistance in preparing the cabin for landing. At this time, please turn off and stow your laptop computers along with any other carry-on items under the seat in front of you. Also, make sure your portable electronics devices remain in airplane mode and are secured or held for the remainder of the flight.
Check.
Also, check your seatbelt, make sure it's securely fastened, and stow your tray tables. If you're in our stretch seating, rows 1, 2, 3, or row 13, please make sure your seat backs raised to its full upright lock position. We're coming through the cabin one last time to do a compliance check, as well as pick up any cups, cans, newspapers, or anything else you would like to discard. We greatly appreciate your assistance in providing a tidy cabin for our next flight by checking around your seat and in that seat back pocket for any trash items that we can collect at this time. Thank you again.
We're
We'll be
above
landing
the
soon.
clouds. Look, we're above the clouds. See all that clouds? Ow! Ah! What is that over there? See what I'm pointing to? I see something up there. Oh, bird, a bird! It's a bird! It's a bird! It's a bird! It's a bird! You see the bird? Hi, you wanna play? You wanna hear? You wanna see a battle? You wanna see a battle? I didn't finish the battle yet. Oh no, they both have one energy left. Then they will die. They died both. They won both, and they lose both.